Would you believe there are fighter jets so extreme, so fast, and so lethal that they could wipe entire armies from the sky in a matter of minutes? It may sound exaggerated, but it is not. For decades, the great powers have fought a silent war in the sky, a technological race where the objective is no longer just to fly faster, but to see first, strike first, and destroy before being detected. We are talking about aircraft invisible to radar, capable of penetrating impossible defenses, fighters that fly at hypersonic speeds, crossing continents in minutes, machines with integrated artificial intelligence capable of fighting without a human pilot, and true aerial monsters designed to dominate the absolute sky. Today on TECHZNX, you are going to discover the 10 most extreme fighter jets ever created by humanity, real machines, brutal technology, and air power pushed to the absolute limit. So fasten your seatbelt, because what you're about to see is not the future of air warfare. It is the peak of sky domination. Let's begin. Top 10. Dassault Rafale. The Rafale was not designed to impress with raw numbers. It was designed to win wars with intelligence, precision, and total versatility. This French fighter represents the most refined concept of a modern multi-role platform, an aircraft capable of dominating air-to-air combat, carrying out surgical strikes against land and sea targets, performing advanced electronic warfare, and carrying tactical nuclear weapons, all in the same mission. Its greatest strength is sensor fusion. The Rafale does not simply look at the battlefield, it understands it. Its radars, optical systems, infrared detectors, and electronic warfare equipment work like a single brain, giving the pilot a complete real-time image of everything happening hundreds of kilometers around. In close combat, its extreme maneuverability makes it a terrifying opponent. Its Delta Canard aerodynamic design allows it to perform impossible turns, instant vector changes, and high-G maneuvers that very few fighters can replicate. In expert hands, the Rafale is an agile, fast, and precise predator, but its true terror lies in surgical attack. It can penetrate hostile airspace, evade defenses, identify strategic targets, and eliminate them with millimetric precision, reducing collateral damage to the minimum. And if the situation demands it, it can carry nuclear weapons, becoming a key piece of French strategic deterrence. The Rafale is not the biggest, it is not the fastest, it is not the stealthiest, but it is one of the most complete, balanced, and deadly fighter jets ever created. An aircraft that does not win through brute force, but through intelligence, precision, and total control of modern combat. And this is only position number 10. Top 9. Eurofighter Typhoon. If the Rafale is a scalpel, the Eurofighter is a hypersonic hammer. This fighter was born with one objective: to dominate the sky through brute force, impose itself in aerial combat, and destroy any enemy aircraft before it has time to react. Its speed is simply brutal. Capable of flying in supercruise without using afterburners, the Typhoon can maintain supersonic speeds for long periods, allowing it to enter, strike, and leave combat before the enemy even understands what has happened. But where it truly becomes a nightmare is in close combat. Its extreme aerodynamic design combined with advanced fly-by-wire controls allows it to perform extremely high-G maneuvers, impossible turns, and almost instant vector changes. In a dogfight, the Typhoon is a pure predator, capable of placing itself in firing position when other fighters simply cannot keep up. Added to this is a devastating technological arsenal: next-generation AESA radars, long-range infrared sensors, advanced electronic warfare, and air-to-air missiles capable of eliminating targets beyond visual range. The pilot does not fly the Typhoon. He directs it as if it were an extension of his own body. In real combat, this fighter can clear the sky in minutes, open air corridors for strategic bombers, and secure total air supremacy before any land or naval operation begins. The Eurofighter does not seek to infiltrate. It does not seek to hide, it seeks to impose itself. It is the European materialization of the concept of absolute air superiority. Top 8. Su-35S Flanker E. If there is a fighter that breaks the laws of physics, it is the Su-35S. This aircraft was not designed to be elegant. It was designed to dominate aerial combat through pure brute force. Its most terrifying feature is its three-dimensional thrust vectoring engines, capable of directing the exhaust flow in multiple directions. The result? Impossible maneuvers. Turns around its own axis, brutal mid-air braking, directions changes that no Western fighter can replicate in a sustained way. In close combat, the Su-35S does not chase the enemy, it corners it. It can position itself at extreme angles of attack without stalling, point its nose wherever it wants, and fire missiles even when it seems to be in aerodynamically absurd positions. In a real dogfight, this translates into a brutal advantage. The first shot is usually its, but it is not only muscle. Its Urbis E radar can detect targets at colossal distances, track multiple targets at the same time, and guide long-range air-to-air missiles capable of killing before the enemy even knows it has been located. And then there is its presence. The Su-35S does not hide, it does not play stealth games. It appears in the sky like a gigantic predator, loaded with tons of missiles, fuel, and sensors, dominating the airspace with intimidating authority. Where a Su-35S enters, the sky stops being neutral. It becomes Russian territory. It is the maximum expression of Soviet philosophy taken to the extreme: power, endurance, brutality, and absolute superiority in close combat. Top 7. F-15EX Eagle II. While the world is obsessed with stealth, the United States has done something radically different. It has created the most brutal, most heavily armed, and most powerful non-stealth fighter in history. The F-15 does not try to hide. It does not need to. This aerial monster was designed for one mission: to dominate the sky through absolute superiority. Its next-generation ASA radar can detect, track, and prioritize targets at colossal distances, coordinating multiple attacks in real time. It is capable of seeing first, aiming first, and firing first. In modern combat, that means winning before even entering visual range. But where it truly breaks all limits is in its payload capacity. The F-15EX can carry more air-to-air missiles than any other fighter on the planet, a true aerial saturation platform. It can launch massive salvos, coordinate swarm attacks, and clear the sky of threats as if it were a flying air defense battery. And not only that, it is prepared to carry hypersonic weapons, becoming an aerial launcher capable of attacking strategic targets at speeds impossible to intercept. Bases, radars, command centers, air defense systems, everything can disappear in a matter of minutes. Its power is so absurd that many define it not as a fighter, but as an intelligent aerial arsenal. 2 gigantic engines, reinforced structure, digital avionics, advanced electronic warfare, and legendary reliability. It can take off, patrol for hours, fight without rest, and return with plenty of margin. The F-15EX is not an aircraft from the future. It is the maximum evolution of one of the deadliest fighters ever created, taken to a simply colossal level. Where an Eagle II enters, air dominance stops being a possibility. It becomes an absolute certainty. Top 6. J-20 Mighty Dragon. China did not want a simple stealth fighter. It wanted an invisible predator capable of changing the global air balance. And that is how the Mighty Dragon was born. This aircraft is not designed for traditional close combat. Its philosophy is different: see first, shoot first, and kill without being seen. Its stealth structure, radar-absorbing materials, and aerodynamic profile make its radar signature minimal, allowing it to penetrate advanced air defenses without triggering alarms. While enemy radars believe the sky is empty, the J-20 is already inside. But stealth is only the beginning. The Mighty Dragon integrates sensors distributed throughout the fuselage, capable of detecting electromagnetic emissions, thermal signatures, and targets at enormous distances. Everything is fused into a single combat system that gives the pilot brutal situational awareness. Its internal weapons bay carries long-range air-to-air missiles designed to destroy enemy fighters before they even know they are being attacked. And with the arrival of the new WS-15 engines, the J-20 reaches real supercruise, allowing it to fly at supersonic speed without using afterburners, increasing its range, stealth, and lethality. But its true strategic role goes much further. The J-20 was conceived as the aerial spearhead of China's A2AD system, the network designed to push the United States out of the Western Pacific. Its mission is to open gaps, destroy enemy fighters, neutralize OAX aircraft, shoot down aerial tankers, and blind the rival air force. In other words, to cut the enemy's wings before it can truly take off. Its mass production, rapid technological evolution, and integration with combat drones turn the J-20 into the core of Chinese air power in the 21st century. It does not seek to show off. It does not seek heroic duels. It seeks to annihilate from the shadows. And if this is what China has placed at number 6 in the world ranking, Top 5. Su-57 Phalan. Su-57 Phalan. Russia did not want to copy the Western concept of a stealth fighter. It wanted to create something completely different. And the result was the Su-57 Phalan, an aircraft designed not only to be invisible, but to dominate aerial combat in the most brutal way ever seen. Unlike other stealth fighters, the Su-57 does not sacrifice maneuverability for stealth. It combines low radar detectability with extreme supermaneuverability, thanks to its three-dimensional vectoring engines, capable of performing maneuvers impossible for any other combat aircraft. This allows it to change direction mid-flight, brake violently, turn around itself, and position itself behind the enemy in seconds. In close combat, it is simply a nightmare. But its true terror begins long before the enemy can even see it. The Su-57 integrates sensors distributed throughout the fuselage, next-generation AESA radars, and infrared optical systems capable of detecting stealth aircraft at long distances. In other words, it can see even the invisible. Added to this is its ability to carry hypersonic air-to-air missiles, designed to destroy targets at speeds impossible to intercept. A single launch can eliminate fighters, bombers, AWACS aircraft, or aerial tankers from extreme distances, collapsing an entire air operation in seconds. And as if that were not enough, the Phalan was conceived as the center of a combat network, coordinating attack drones, ground sensors, naval radars, and Russian space systems, becoming the flying brain of the modern battlefield. But the Su-57 does not only dominate the air. It is prepared for precision strikes against ground targets, electronic warfare, suppression of air defenses, and deep penetration into enemy territory, all without being detected. In other words, an invisible hunter, maneuverable like a hummingbird, armed like a bomber, and connected like a satellite. The Su-57 is not a simple fighter. It is a platform of total supremacy. Top 4, F-35 Lightning II. It was not designed to be simply a fighter. It was created to completely change the way war is fought. It is not an aircraft. It is a flying brain connected to the entire battlefield. The Lightning II integrates one of the most advanced sensor fusion systems ever built, combining AESA radars, infrared sensors, optical cameras, electronic warfare, and satellite data links into a single interface that gives the pilot total vision of the environment. While other pilots see dots on a radar, the F-35 pilot sees the entire battlefield in real time, enemies, allies, threats, missile trajectories, priority targets, and safe routes, all processed by artificial intelligence. But its true power is not only in what it sees, but in what it controls. The F-35 acts as an airborne command center, coordinating drone swarms, allied fighters, ships, satellites, missile defense systems, and ground forces, turning every operation into a perfectly synchronized attack. In real combat, this means something devastating. The enemy is detected, identified, classified, and eliminated before even knowing it is being attacked. Its extreme stealth allows it to penetrate the most defended airspaces on the planet, shut down radars, destroy command centers, neutralize air defenses, and open invisible corridors for the rest of the fleet. And when the time comes to strike, the F-35 deploys an arsenal capable of destroying strategic targets with surgical precision, without triggering early warnings, and without leaving any reaction margin. In addition, its electronic warfare system is so advanced that it can blind enemy sensors, distort radars, deceive missiles, and collapse entire air defense networks. The result is terrifying. An aircraft capable of seeing everything, controlling everything, and attacking everything without being seen. The F-35 does not seek to dominate aerial combat. It seeks to dominate the entire war. Top 3. MiG-31 Foxhound. The MiG was not created for dogfights. It was not designed to maneuver or for close combat or for aerial acrobatics. It was conceived with one objective: to hunt and destroy any aerial threat before it even gets close. And for that, Russia created the fastest, most brutal, and most feared interceptor ever built. With speeds close to Mach 3, the Foxhound can cross hundreds of kilometers in minutes, intercept strategic bombers, cruise missiles, and hypersonic targets long before they enter the danger zone. But its true terror arrives when its most devastating weapon comes into play: the Kinzhal hypersonic missile. Launched from a modified MiG-31, this missile accelerates to speeds impossible to intercept, maneuvers in flight, and strikes with devastating precision. A single impact can destroy aircraft carriers, underground bunkers, air bases, and strategic command centers in a matter of seconds. This turns the MiG-31 into something far more dangerous than an interceptor. It transforms it into a hypersonic aerial strategic attack platform. Its Zaslon radar, one of the most powerful ever installed on a fighter, can detect targets at colossal distances, track multiple targets at the same time, and coordinate networked attacks with other interceptors, creating an almost impenetrable aerial wall. During the Cold War, the MiG-31 was born to stop American nuclear bombers. Today, it has become the aerial launcher of one of the most feared weapons on the planet. Fast, brutal, lethal, the Foxhound does not fight, it executes. And if this monster occupies position number 3, F-22 Raptor, it was designed to kill without being seen, and in that role it has no rival. This fifth-generation fighter represents the highest point ever reached in absolute air superiority. An aircraft capable of detecting, tracking, locking onto, and destroying enemy targets before they even know they are being attacked. Its level of stealth is so extreme that for most radars it simply does not exist, and when it appears, it is already too late. But the Raptor is not only invisible, it is also brutally fast. Thanks to its supercruise capability, it can fly at sustained supersonic speeds without using afterburners, allowing it to attack, escape, and reposition without being detected by infrared sensors. Added to this is insane maneuverability, powered by thrust vectoring engines that allow it to perform impossible turns, instant direction changes, and extreme maneuvers that no conventional fighter can replicate. But its true power lies in its electronic brain. The F-22 fuses data from radars, infrared sensors, electronic warfare, and satellite links to build a complete real-time image of the battlefield. While the enemy only sees chaos, the Raptor sees every movement, every thermal signature, and every radar signal. In real combat, its record is simply terrifying: hundreds of simulated kills without a single loss. A dominance so overwhelming that the United States decided to ban its export, keeping it as an exclusive jewel of American air power. The F-22 does not defend the sky, it controls it. And if this is position number 2, what comes now is not a fighter. It is the absolute limit of what humanity has achieved in aerial combat. Top 1. SAR-71 and SR-72. If everything before seemed extreme, this no longer belongs to the world of fighters. It belongs to the domain of the impossible. The SR-71 Blackbird was not simply an aircraft, it was a technological anomaly. A machine capable of flying above Mach 3 at stratospheric altitudes, crossing continents in a matter of minutes, without any air defense system on the planet being able to touch it. For decades, it was the fastest manned object ever built, capable of spying, penetrating defenses, photographing entire territories, and escaping unharmed, even when more than 4,000 missiles were fired against it. The result, 0 shootdowns, 0 confirmed impacts, absolute dominance of the upper sky. But the truly terrifying part is what came after. The SR-72, known as Son of Blackbird, does not seek to fly at Mach 3, it seeks to fly at Mach 6. We are talking about hypersonic speeds, where an aircraft can cross an ocean in minutes, execute reconnaissance, attack, or interception missions before the enemy understands what is happening. A system capable of launching hypersonic weapons, penetrating any airspace, evading any radar, and disappearing before a response even exists. At that speed, there are no interceptors. There is no air defense. There is no reaction margin. The SR-72 represents the future of absolute aerial combat. Platforms that combine hypersonic speed, extreme stealth, space-based sensors, and instant global strike. It is not a fighter. It is not a bomber. It is not a spy plane. It is a black arrow cutting through the atmosphere. A strategic weapon capable of deciding wars before they begin. That is why it occupies position number 1. Because when a machine can cross the planet in minutes, observe everything, and strike wherever it wants. And there you have it. 10 fighters so extreme, so advanced, and so lethal that they have changed the rules of aerial combat forever. Machines created to dominate the sky, break impossible defenses, and decide wars in a matter of minutes. Today, power is no longer measured in soldiers or tanks. It is measured in speed, stealth, artificial intelligence, and absolute control of the airspace. The real question is, are we facing the last generation of manned fighters, or the birth of a new era where machines will decide the fate of wars? Leave your opinion in the comments. Which of these fighters impressed you the most? And which one would you like to see in action? And if you are passionate about extreme military technology, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bell, because on TECHZNX there are still many secrets left to reveal. See you in the next video.